What is going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have this 2006 Mercedes-Benz C230, and today I'm going to show you how you can unlock the DCN module for this car. So somebody already replaced the transmission on this vehicle, but they didn't know that they had to transfer the electronics over. And well, for that you have to disassemble the whole ball body and take out the mechatronics unit in order to make it work. So what I'm gonna do the programming on the vehicle. Actually, it's called on bench, but you don't really have to remove the whole transmission for this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift this car on the lift, and I'm gonna disconnect the transmission connector, and I'm gonna do my own harness to program the transmission. Actually, what we're gonna do is virtualize the computer, because it comes with the VIN number program. So if the computer sees that the computer has a different number from what it wants to see, it will not let you even move the car. As you can see, I have it on reverse drive, and none of the gears are engaging, and that's because it's disabled. So we're gonna use the autel IM608 today, and for that we need to go to immobilizer, and we're gonna select Mercedes. And what you're gonna do here is you're gonna select the expert tools, expert selection, and you're gonna see right here TCU tools. That's what we want. This is engine ECU tools, that's to renew the computer, and this is for the transmission unit, and this is for electronic lock switch. So if I hit this, you can see electronic steering lock. So we want this one, transmission functions. We're gonna hit that, and here it's gonna give you the wiring of everything. As you can see, you can renew the TCU, personalize it, write the VIN number, but what we want is to renew it. So we need to see the wiring diagram, and as you can see, we have the connection for the transmission right here. We're gonna need a power, ground, the two high and low lines, and you're gonna connect 120 ohm resistor right here, because it will need it to communicate. If you don't have that, it will not communicate. So we're gonna do escape, and once we hit renew, we must be connected already with the computer in order to read it. Right now it's not gonna read it because it's not on bench, but yeah. Alright, so let me take the car on the lift and let's start doing this job. Alright, here we have the 120 mega ohm resistor. So this is what I did. This is a really cool pass-through interface. I connect the OBD2 port through this connection, and this connection goes to the transmission. As you can see, it's already there, and with the diagram, well, like I show you, this is how you connect it. I'm gonna show you that it's 120 ohm. Let me just connect the leads right here. Hold on. Let me just put it right here, and the other one right here. And as you can see, we get 120, well, about 120. So this is how it's supposed to go. You can also do it outside right here, but it looks a lot better here. So I have that connection already. I only have to plug the power supply into this, and you have these little nice switches right here. So once you connect those switches, I mean the supply, I can turn on this by here, and then here and here, and you gotta make sure you have the power right and the ground, otherwise you're gonna make a short. So, but also this thing protects that, so in case of short, it just breaks the fuse inside. Alright, let me bring my scanner and let's start doing the decoding process. Alright, so here is connected already. I just turn on the switch for this thing right here. I haven't turned on this for the transmission, so I'm just gonna wait it communicates, as you can see. So I'm in the interface right now, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch the other power on. As you can see, we got the live data right here. So let's just read the TCU, and here we go, establishing vehicle. And as you can see, we have the information already, and we got about 10 volts, so we need a constant voltage. Let me turn it off. I'm gonna put a good power supply because that thing is not enough. So as you can see, we got the data already, 12.6, and as you can see here, it's activated, personalized, and we need to see these two activated and personalized in the no. And as you can see, the VIN number is 4517, so it doesn't match with the vehicle. I already checked it. So once you got that, we're gonna press OK, and it's gonna save the file. Do you want to save the file? Yes. Successfully save the file on this path right here. So we're gonna press OK. And well, I need another power supply because that's not gonna last. Alright, so let's turn it on one more time. And now we have about 9 volts. So we're gonna do renew TCU. This function can be completed only on bench. Please connect the wiring. And it's already connected. We're gonna press yes. You can see communicating. This is what I like to see. Do you want to obtain the erasure password? I'm gonna press yes, and we need Wi-Fi for this. Okay, so it's already connecting to the network and succeeded in calculating the passwords. We're gonna press OK. And as you can see here, it already calculated the password. So we're gonna press OK. Do you want to say transmission data? Press yes, and we press OK. And succeeding in renewing transmission. Do you want to read the data? So we're gonna read it now, and we should see the no right here. As you can see, no, no, no. So this means the transmission has been renewed. So we press OK, and that will be it. And here, well, you can write the VIN number, but we don't need to do that. So we're just gonna unplug all this, plug it back, and let's test the computer and make sure it's gonna work. And we're gonna diagnosis, control unit, drive, transmission, and I think we have a code stored in there, so I'm gonna erase it. You're gonna see it right now. Trouble codes, and as you can see, this is the start enabled transmitter. So that's the code that it's not gonna let the vehicle run. And as you can see, no more codes anymore. So we're gonna do a test run. We're gonna turn on the vehicle, and we're gonna check if our transmission is good. And there we go. We have transmission working now. As you can see, it's already been renewed and it's working fine. Drive. There we go. So this is how you renew a transmission module for a 2006 Mercedes-Benz C230. This process applies for many models. I think it starts from 2005 all the way to 2014. This tool can do pretty much all that. It's really amazing, but you need Wi-Fi for this because it needs to do the coding. So right now we're just gonna turn it off and on, control unit adaptations, and we're gonna do the learning drive. Hope it works. As you can see, transmission control module is personalized. No. Transmission module is activated. No. Would you like to remove the transfer protection for this module or activate the module? I think we're gonna do on OK, but you don't really have to. So we're just gonna escape because we don't really have to do that. So if you go to special functions, you can do the transmission adaptation, and here you can reset all the adaptations for the torque converter clutch and all that, and then take it for a test drive. Alright, so I hope you liked the information on this video, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe comment down below, turn notifications on, and I'll see you on the next episode. JVFIX out. Bye.